everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So as I always say, on a Tuesday and a Thursday, I try to keep those days free to share any tutorials that have a die focus. So today I have been putting some samples together for the Creative Craft Products Ric Rac Nestables launch. That's a bit of a mouthful, and I just thought I'd film this particular one that I put together. I have done this a few times before. It's been in like my scraps videos, and I'm sure there is a nested die tutorial where I've got this in as well, so I'll link any of those up there. But it's a really simple one, just by adding foam in between the layers and creating that dimension. This is just one sheet of paper just lifted up to create that lovely effect. So this was the simple way to do it, and then I want to show you today how to do this same effect but using stamped images, and I've coloured in a design as well. So very, very straightforward to make. Let me show you how. So these are the new Ric Rac Supersize Nestables. So when they say supersize, the largest die is 8 inches, so they're huge. So they're great if you like making those larger shaped card blanks. You can do that with these, and then you've got all the layers then right down to, you know, the small sizes. You've got circles, hexagons, square, ovals, rectangles, and the DL. So I use the oval on this one here, and the papers I used were the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady, and then the sentiment was the Modern Sentiments from Creative Craft Products. Again, I always link everything in the description box below. So for today's card, I'm using the rectangles, and I've already got the tutorial up for this card here, which is a spinning puzzle card. So basically you turn all of the pieces around when you put them together. It goes in the envelope like this. So I've got a little instruction there saying spin me, and then they will just basically, you know, work out what the image is. And it all locks into place like a jigsaw. There we go. And then it can be displayed like so. It's really, really fun. Again, I'll link that tutorial there. But yeah, for today, we're using the rectangles. So I've already gone ahead and stamped this really pretty image here. I've used this on another card that I recently shared during a Facebook Live. The stamp is from the Box 45 Papercraft Society. It's stamped by me, by Tony Darrick. It's a beautiful image there. So this die here is 4.5 by 6.5, but I want it to go on a 5 by 7 card blank, like so. But what I thought would be nice with this one is I've got a ton of this yellow foam, but it's felt foam, and I thought it'd be nice to have yellow layers in between rather than white on that one there, and I think it would tie really nicely with the yellow flower. First of all, you want to take this one, you've got your original die, and then you want to lay the dies down on top. Now I don't think I want to do, I think I want to leave a bit more of a gap, so I might just do that one and miss one, so miss that one and have that one on the top. I think I'm just going to do 2, but you could do as many layers as you like, although that one could work. Let's just see. Maybe I do quite a few. It's just you're getting very thin around here, but I think actually that could look quite nice. If you can hear any snoring, it's my little dog. He's asleep next to me. With this one here, I missed every other. So I had this size die, then there was one in between, but I missed it and went to the next size down, missed one, next size down, missed one, next size down. So you just have more of the image, but I guess you're not really losing anything there. So let's give it a go. So I'm going to remove that off of there because I think it's easier to line this all up on a plain background. So I'm just going to spend a minute just getting them as equally spaced as I can. I think that's about right. Okay. So now I've got one die, and now I'm going to sit that back over the top of this image. Let some of that tape just kind of grab on that. There we go. And now I'm going to run that through my machine. So now just carefully take that all apart. So yeah, they're quite thin, but I think it's still going to work. So now we've got these pieces like so, and then I'm going to cut every single one of these dies now using that yellow foam. So now you want to take that one. The largest one for me is going to stick directly onto my card blank, so that one will stick on there, although I might have some yellow for that one as well, we'll see. But with all the other sizes, you now just want to stick these back on top of the felt piece, and the idea is that you're going to see that yellow in between there, and I think against the pink as well, it's going to look really nice. So that one on there, that one on there, that one, and then that one on top. And like I said, I think I'm going to do the large one there as well. Okay, so they're now all stuck on the foam. So now you just want to piece them back together so that you start to complete the image again. And you just want to build the image back up. I'm just going to add my glue on the back of each layer. Like that, just work my way up. That's all of the layers stuck down. I think it looks really fun with the yellow in between. So you could do pink, black, I think would look really nice as well. You can just see how much more it pops than the white foam there. And then for the sentiment, I'm just going to have the thanks. Oh, just kind of hanging off the side, I think. It's going to be a top fold, like so. So thank you as always for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, just showing you some more fun and creative ways to use your nesting dies, whether it's with a stamped image, which I really love, or with your pattern paper. I think they both look really nice. You can see there how they look displayed. So as always, I will link all of the product that I've used in the description box below the video. I'll have those other tutorials that I mentioned coming up now, so you might want to watch those next. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today, so it really does help out the channel, and I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.